Hi, in this video I will explain my circuit and code, and after that I will show you how it is working my circuit. This is my circuit. First of all, I will explain my connection between the pins and Arduino. I use the 10th, 9th and 8th pins for the output pins to drive my LED motors, and I use the second and third pins for my button to interrupt. Let's examine my code. Before the explanation, I will say that I tried to using the interrupt for 1 day, but I couldn't achieve in the real life. But in Tinkercad, I achieved this. But unfortunately, in the real life, I couldn't do this. So I will use the digital read function for my buttons, as you can see. And now I will explain the logic behind this code. First of all, whatever we push the right button, when I say the right button, I mean the digital third, and when I say the left button, digital second pin. And whatever the right button pressed or released, it doesn't run our LED, as you can see. And if we push the left button, as you can see, it's go into the else if condition, and after that it's run our LEDs. And if we push both of the button, it's getting the last else if condition, and then it's turn on the red LED. As I said before, in the real life I couldn't do this with the interrupt, but in the Tinkercad I can do this, and I will show you the simulation how I did the interrupts. As you can see, I write the ISR interrupt communication protocol for left button and right button, and this is my code. When I press the left and right button, it's getting to these function. And as you can see here, if we press the right button, the green one is running, and if we don't press the right button, and if we press the left button or release it, it doesn't matter in the circuit. In this part I will explain the part 2, and let's get started. First of all, for the communication protocol with the Arduino on the serial port, I use the below message format. As you can see, first part for the left motor, and the right part is the right motor. As you can see from the A and to the Z, this is for the for left motor, and we give the information to the Arduino, as you can see here in detail information in my report also, and also in my code. And let's get started. Before I start to explain my code, I want to show my circuit. This is my left motor, and this is my right motor, and let's get started. First of all, I will implement these one by one. First of all, as you can see, this is my circuit, and all the red is turned off. And when I press the enter button, I will give the left motor 3.5 voltage, and right motor 3.5 voltage. As you can see, both LED is running. And if modify this, like if I want to give the 5 voltage right and left motor 3.5, as you can see. And as you can see, the right one is running lighter, and left one is a bit less light. And if we want to stop the left one, all right, and we want to other direction for the right motor, press enter, and As you can see, left motor is turn off, and right motor directions change, and also its voltage is change. Also, we can stop the both motors, as you can see, and both motors is turn off.